It is designed to be a total communications social network. Launched in 2011, users can make friends and remain up to date with all friends without account. Using English connection, Google Class creates circles, and the fourth standard circle refers to friends, family, acquaintances, and those being followed. Users can actually create as many circles as they. So alam naman natin sa Google is yung primary source sa atin ngayon in this generation. Ang Google kasi is ito yung
Hinga.
pagharap natin ng mga pananaliksik, research,
Inhale.
kung ano ng mga idea para makakuha tayo ng idea at information.
Huminga ka muna.
So ano nga ba ang YouTube? YouTube is an American video sharing website where users can upload, view, and even share video clips or multimedia production. It is a free social network site to join and use. Since it is owned by Google, YouTube prefers a Google account to make it easier and streamlined. Based in San Bruno, California, USA, the service was created in February 2005. So, ang YouTube daw ay na-create noong 2005. So, ito yung ginagamit ng platform ngayon in this generation para mag-share ng videos, vlogs, at para kumita tayo ng income. So, gumagamit tayo ng YouTube para mag-create ng video at i-share sa buong mundo ang ating mga talent at mga gusto nating tutorial para